Again, it is Shantae. I decided to come on to do another quick video of my journey and what my hair looks like, my 2-month update because it has now been 2 months since I have had my Sisterlocks. The first thing I wanted to go over is I'm bored. I am so bored with my hair. Like, I don't know what to do. I just don't know. Um, I kind of feel like it's kind of just blah a little bit. I don't know. I mean, I'm used to wearing, the Singalese twists. I'm used to having, cornrows going back, maybe some box braids every once in a while. And now I'm just stuck with this hair. So, pretty bored right now, trying to get over the boredom. I had a little moment this morning when I went to my colorist and I was pretty much ready to just snip, snip, cut all my hair off, start completely over, and just rock a TWA for a little bit because I was just that bored. But of course, my colorist, because she's been dealing with me for the past like 10 years, she know how difficult I am with my hair and how I keep going back and forth with my hair. She pretty much told me she's not cutting it. I need to chill out, work on my patience, and just be. So here we are. Yeah, it has now been 2 months. Like I said, I'm going to try to give it 6 months. I don't know, but I'm just bored. I don't know. Now, don't get me wrong. I love my hair. Like, I love how it looks. I love how the ends look, still have that curly look to it, like I mentioned in one of my earlier videos. I love how I can just wake up, shake it, and go. I love all of that. Like, I'm loving the Sisterlocks themselves. I'm just bored with the style options right now. I kind of feel like there's so many other things I could be doing with my hair versus just waking up, shaking, and going. But I feel like it's part of the process, part of my patience, and I have to work on that. So here we are. I go for my second retightening on Monday. So I decided to wash my hair before I go. I actually may end up washing it twice by the time from now, which is Thursday to Monday, because my hair is so dirty and it's so dry and it's so flaky that I feel like after I wash it one time, it may not be completely clean. So today I'm going to wash it once with the Sisterlock products. I'll wash it with that, and then I'll wash it again on Sunday in preparation for my second retightening. So hopefully that goes okay. We shall see. All right, I'll be back with the products and how I wash my hair. All right. I don't think I want to wash it twice. I feel like I'm all over the place right now. And I think it's part of my boredom. I don't know. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm not going to wash it twice. I might just wet it with some more rose water, braid it up, maybe, plait it up to kind of let it crinkle up a little bit more. And then Sunday, I will wash it. So I'll come back on Sunday so that you all can see how I wash it. Actually, I've never washed it before, so this will be my first time washing my hair myself. All the other times, I went to my colorist, and she washed it for me because I was more nervous to do it myself. But right now, I just don't give a damn. I'm about to just grab that little starter shampoo. I even bought some Selsun Blue, baby. Like, I was about to go and buy some Selsun Blue and just get all this little dandruff out of my hair right now and just go. All right. So I just wanted to give you all a close-up before I left you for the moment of what it looks like. And then I'll be back on Sunday when it's time to wash my hair. Okay. So this is the front area. Still pretty thin over here, but as you know, I've mentioned before, my hair has always been thin there. The front area is what I always have been, not really always because it's only been 2 months, but the front area is the area that is the thinnest. Hopefully, you can't really see that, but it's pretty thin. As you can see there, it's pretty thin. Yeah, that's really it. You know, just going through just to show you all pretty much what it looks like. And the other side. Hopefully you all don't see any dandruff or anything because it's very dry. And this is the back area of it. All right, so like I said, I'll be back on Sunday so that you all can see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. All right, see you in a minute. Everyone, it's Shantae again. It is now Sunday, so it is now time to press wash 9. My hair. Huh?
Which you press 9?
For what?
G.
Yeah, press 9. It is now time for me to wash my hair. So what I have decided to do is first section my hair off. Now, I have never washed my hair myself before in my 2 months of being locked. So we're going to work this thing out together. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off. Now, where's the middle? Is it here? I have no idea. So I'm going to go ahead and section off each part. All right, so I have the 2 areas in the front sectioned off. And now I'm going to go ahead and section off the back. And I actually brought in my husband. Say hello.
Hey. Hi, how you doing?
Brought in my husband to help me with my hair washing experiment today. The reason I'm calling it an experiment, and I'll come back on to show you all how I'm doing it, it involves some Selsun Blue, which is the medicated dandruff shampoo, and a toothbrush. So we're going to try to work this first wash thing out, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll be right back. I have everything sectioned off, and the reason that I say this is an experiment is because I actually won't be doing the traditional braid and band method. Just trying something different because I really feel like I need to get in to my scalp, and my hair is very flaky right now, and if I braid it and band it and just spray and kind of get my hands in, I don't think I'm going to get everything that I need to get. And also my hair is very dry, very itchy, very flaky. So that's why I have the toothbrush. So what I'll be doing with this is I will be going into every part, dipping the toothbrush in my Selsun Blue and water mix, and then pretty much scrubbing each part of my hair. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that works. And if it works, that will be how I will be washing my hair from now on. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, flaky, dry, a mess, right? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and go to the first part. And then going in, cleaning that area out. Same thing for the next part. Going in, just like you brush your tooth, right? Going in, cleaning that area out. And just repeating this process all throughout my head. Because if not, these flakes are going to be there to stay. And I'm not trying to have any buildup. Okay, so I'll be back on once I finish a section to show you all what it looks like. All right. Okay. So I feel like I'm going against like the Sisterlock laws right now because I'm not using the medicated shampoo, but there's a reason behind that. The main reason is I like suds, or, you know, the suds. I like that look because I feel like when I have the suds, my hair is clean and it's, doing the right thing. And from the things that I've heard about the Sisterlocks shampoo, it does not produce suds. So that is one reason why I'm using the Selsun Blue. The other reason why I'm using it is because I feel like my hair is flaky. Even though my husband here is telling me that it's not, I feel that it is flaky and dry and therefore needs some kind of special attention. So that's why I'm going through one part at a time, doing my Selsun Blue, and then, pretty much lifting it all out. So we'll see how this experiment comes out once I wash it out, and then we'll go from there. If it works, I will continue to do this. But if it doesn't work, then maybe I'll try the traditional way of braiding and banding my hair, and then we'll see how that goes. So I'll come back on once my hair is washed to show you all the final results of my first wash. I'll be back. All right, we are now done with every single part. We have now gone through, the hubby and I. We've now gone through and dipped every part in the Selsun Blue. We've scrubbed the scalp. So now what I'm going to do, take my bowl of Selsun Blue mix, and as I'm rinsing my hair out, I'm going to just pour this over my head, kind of get my hands in there a little bit more, rinse it out, and then I'll come back on to show you what it looks like once it is washed. See you in a minute. I have now completely washed my hair, or rinsed out the Selsun Blue that I did. As you can see, I've rinsed it out completely as though I was just washing my regular hair. I didn't braid it, I didn't band it, anything like that. And they're still intact right now. So what I'm about to do is braid my hair up to prepare it for my 2-month retightening tomorrow. And then I'll come back on tomorrow so that you all can see what my hair looks like after it's been retightened, or anything that my consultant noticed after I washed it without the traditional way of washing my hair. So to give you all a close-up of what it looks like wet. So this is the middle. What are you watching, Ma?
Lifetime.
Lifetime. All right, so that is it. So I'm about to have my mom, right, Mom?
Oh God.
Gonna have my mom help me plait it for the night, and then I'll come back on so you all can see what it looks like braided or plaited. I'll be back. All my hair is now plaited. I don't know how many I have. I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 11 plaits on my hair all the way around. Okay, so I'm going to be getting my hair retightened in the morning at 9 o'clock. So once I finish with the retightening, then I will come back on to show you all how my hair looks after my 2-month retightening. All right, see you in the morning. Everyone, I'm back. It is now Monday, and hold on. All right, it is now Monday, and I have just got back in from getting my hair retightened. Of course, I need to get my eyebrows waxed. I know I already don't have any, so don't come for me, but I'll be getting them waxed. All right, so moving on to the hair. I went in this morning at 9 o'clock, and my consultant pretty much had to, like I said already, she had to retighten the entire front area. It took maybe about 2 to 2.5 hours for her to do, because we started at about 9:15-ish, and then she finished at about 11:45, somewhere around there. So it took about 2 hours, but this is the finished product. So I'll go ahead and go in so you all can see what it looks like and then go from there. All right, so that's one side. Top, this is the part where she had to retighten. All of here, if you notice, is very thin along here. This area is also pretty thin, so she had to redo that. And over here, she had to retighten that too. So, going to the back. On hold with Bank of America. But yeah, so that's pretty much my hair. So like I said, hopefully you all saw the back of it when I turned around, which is here. Got a little bit of hang time going. So it's pretty much here, as you can see, but the shrinkage is real. I mean, you can't really tell the hang time because of the black shirt, but got a little something going to about here. But yeah, like I said, hopefully I kind of get over my boredom with it, as I stated earlier in the video, because I am pretty bored with it. I think it's mainly the color. I initially had red hair before I decided to get Sisterlocks, but I saw a few people online with red hair and didn't really like how it looked. So I dyed my hair black myself and then I got it done. But I feel like I should have kept my hair red. It might have been a little different. I might have liked it a little better if it were a different color, because I feel like this just looks blah. All right. But I did find a hair wax on Instagram. A few people were talking about a hair wax that just kind of take each individual one, like a temporary hair wax, not permanent. Just take it on and put it on each individual lock to kind of give it a little spruce. So I might try that just to see how what the hair wax talking about. But for now, this is my 2-month update. And that's about it. All right, so I will see you all in the next video, which will then be my 3-month update. 3-month update. All right, see you all later.